Alright guys, welcome to the channel. This is Joe Moto. This is my channel, this is my first video, and we're going to be covering a couple things in this video. It's actually going to be a series. I'm hoping to get it in 4 or 5 videos. First thing is, I was having a hard time finding, a kit that was more affordable. Some of the cheapest things I was finding were on eBay for like $1,300 to $1,500. And that's for base kits, no performance cam, nothing. And another thing we're covering in this video is this cam right here. It's an L86 cam. Upgraded L86 cam is the name it was under. And yeah, and I have a 2014 Chevy Silverado with the L83 in it. So we're going to be swapping that for the upgraded L86. So this camshaft retains VVT, but does not have the AFM or DOD. Yeah, so me and a buddy of mine, we just deleted the AFM DOD out of the computer, disabled it, and yeah, these parts just arrived, and this is the kit that you get right here, and I paid $789.94 for all this. And that there's a couple things in here that I bought, like silicone and the thread lock, but that kit comes with the camshaft, harmonic balancer bolt, all new head bolts, lifter trays, front main seal, the tower plugs, the LS7 style lifters, head gaskets, water pump gaskets, all of that. Now the extra things that I bought for this, since I'm in there, I got a new timing chain, new valve cover gaskets, and then the silicone and the thread locker. But yeah, I paid less than $800 for all of this, and it was here in like 2 days, 3 days, something like that, something crazy. Scoggin Dickey Parts Center. You can Google them. You'll find them on there. This is and this is all GM product. All of it. It's all GM products. GM. It's crazy. So, yeah, this is I just was real really excited about it when I found that. Now the reason you don't see the high pressure, if you've seen other videos, they tell you to get the new high pressure fuel pump, S-pipe or whatever. When I take this high pressure fuel pump and all that off, the fuel pressure lines and in the connecting lines in between, the rails and everything is all going to come off all at one time, so we won't even be disconnecting the S-pipe they're telling you to replace. So that's the reason you don't see that here in this kit. If you want, it's an option on there. If you want to go ahead and buy it, it's more, but it's like an extra $80 or $90. So since I'm not even taking it apart, it's all coming off at once, both rails at once. I didn't really feel the need to buy it. But yeah, so a few things. Some of those kits, they were selling only 8 of the lifters. I'm telling you right now, don't cheap out. Go ahead and get all 16 of them. It's trust me, it's gonna be better in the end. And if you got the money while you're in there, replace the timing chain. Unless you're under 100,000 or whatever, mine's just at 100,000, so it's at that point where I'm in there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a new timing chain and stuff on. So yeah, other things you're gonna need is coolant, big drain pan, oil for when you do the filter, because you're gonna be it's gonna be a good idea to change that. Some of the tools you want to definitely have: impact gun, electric ratchet. Those definitely come in handy. It's going to speed the job up, make it 10 times faster. A few of the hand tools and sockets you're gonna need, I know right off the top of my head. A 24 millimeter, a 10 millimeter, and a 13 millimeter. I know for sure you're gonna need those. Oh, and a 13 millimeter Allen also. That 13 millimeter Allen's gonna be actually for that head bolt right there. But yeah, you definitely want to have those things. And yeah, this is kind of just the first video. I'm trying to start this series, so you know, I couldn't find a video of someone swapping out their L83 cam for an L86, and I definitely didn't see any kits that were this cheap. I mean, I was looking for 2 or 3 weeks before I even found this kit. So, hoping this helps somebody out there. It's kind of in my shoes. Don't want to spend a ton of money on it, but wants good quality parts. Scoggin Dickey Parts Center, and they're not sponsoring none of this. I bought all this with my own money. Just just trying to help y'all out. It's a great deal. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, and here in 2 days I'm gonna tear that truck apart and put these new parts in, and I'll be making those next videos in this series, and uploading those as soon as I can. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, and I'll holler at you later.